Good morning, everyone. Today we will be looking into the basics of LabVIEW, and then slowly we will build up and we will see how we can use LabVIEW for signal processing techniques. Okay. First, let us launch the LabVIEW program. So this is the one. So it's initializing. Once it initializes, you will get this window, and in this window, go to File and then New VI. Okay. So once you get this new VI, select on any of the tab. So if you look over here, there are two tabs. One is front panel, one is the block diagram. So what are these? So if you consider any instrument, there are two sets. One is the user interface. Like suppose you are having a BP machine, uh, which are commonly available in the market. So what happens over there? You have to press certain keys like start the measurement of the BP. So that is the user interface. So you can design the user interface in the front panel, whereas the internal circuitry or the internal program which we cannot see, it goes into the block diagram. Okay. So when we get this window, we will press Control T. So what it will do is that it will put the or it will arrange the front panel on the left hand side, and it will arrange the block diagram on the right hand side. Now in the front panel, if you right click, you will get controls like this. Over here, if you see, there is some modern. In the modern, you are having numeric, boolean, string and path, array matrix and cluster. And if you click over here, you will see there are various controls and the indicators and all these things. Okay. Similarly, in boolean also you will get some controls like the push button and all this thing, and then you will also have the LEDs which are the indicator. So similarly, in all the stuffs you will be getting, in all of this you will be getting the same similar things, that there might be some control or there might be some indicators. Okay. On the other hand, if you right click on the block diagram, you will get functions. Now in these functions, you have the programs which will help you in designing the various operations or various algorithms, so which will be run to give you some output, and the output will be shown in the front panel. Okay. So in signal processing, uh, mostly what we use these signal processing palettes like waveform generation, waveform measure, signal generations. Then we have the filters, what kind of filters we want to design. So if you see, there are lots and lots of palettes, so which help us in designing the filters. Okay. Similarly, this Express VI, over here you can design the program in a very quick fashion. Okay. Like over here, if you see into the simulated signal, so this palette will help you in generation of the signal. Okay. So it can help you to read any, if you have saved some data uh, in your computer by measuring it from some of the sensor. It can this read measurement file can help you in reading the sensor data. Okay. You can acquire signals from the sound port using this acquired sound. Okay. Then in the output you will be having this right measurement file. Then you can play the waveform. Okay. Similarly, in signal analysis, you will be have the spectral analysis. It will help you in doing the Fourier transform, fast Fourier transform, or the DFT, right? Then it will help you in analysis of the distortion and all these things. Okay. So in signal processing, we mainly use, if you want to do a quick analysis, we mainly go for this Express palettes. Okay. So this is it. In from the next lecture, what we will be doing, we will be taking up some cases, and we will start to build up from the basics, and then we will go towards the intermediate signal processing techniques, where you can get uh, you can do a lot of projects by using LabVIEW in a very simple manner. Okay, thank you very much.